Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the E36, getting it ready for a track day. We are doing an oil change and checking the tire pressures. We just got new tires mounted for the car, and we're also doing a full bolt check on the car and checking over the fluids, just making sure the car is going to be ready for the track, so that way we'll be safe when we get out there. Our friend Max is going to help us do some of the maintenance, and also Jesse is going to be by here later. He's got his Nissan 240. You saw it in the NRG video that we made here. And we're gonna be going drifting together. So he's got some stickers to put on his car. I've got some stickers to put on mine. We're gonna show you how those guys look, and then we're gonna get drifting. Like the video below if you want more E36 content, and without further ado, enjoy. Track. I've got the car unloaded, and I think the stickers look really good in the daylight. We're gonna go ahead and get the front bumper on because we had to take the bumper off to get the car on the trailer, and then we're gonna start warming up here in a second and getting going. So I hope you enjoyed the video and check out this drift footage.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Happens. Oh my God, Boomby. You only hit my door, so that's fine. That's perfect.
God. I'm good too.
Yeah, that was good. It was a pretty light tap. I should have put it first, try to roll away, but
fucking trying so hard.
this can, I'm sure that can be pulled out, but just the door, and the door's still open.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
No, that's fine.
And it was funny too.
I was telling Jesse, I was like, I want to get some door dings on your car, my car. I said, I'm ready to mess it up. Like, if I'm not out there like pushing the limit, then what's the point, you know?
I mean, it's part of the sport too, but at least it's just the door, so all you gotta do is replace the door.
Yeah, literally.
Honestly, like, the car's not.
And this car still works. It's not part of the body or anything like that. Like, that's minor.
Mine, I don't know why my thing's not working. I hope you got
That was so awesome. I was like, oh, she's gonna hit me, and I was like, I'm not really worried about it. It looked like it was gonna be light. Was it leaking? Did it have coolant marks before?
No.
No?
No.
Oh man.
My water temp stopped working.
Yeah, watch your face.
Oh, there you go. Oh look, no, just a little ding.
Oh, it was this side. Oh
Yeah.
shit, it was this side. Yeah.
Just a little ding.
Oh, okay. Sweet. Thank you, Boomby, for being my first.
I'm sorry.
That was awesome.
Well, you were my first too.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was really fun. It's like playing bumper cars.
Right?
Well, you know what they say, quit while you're ahead. I came out here actually hoping that I'd have a little contact with someone. I was thinking that I'd be the one to get nice and close on someone's ass, but looks like Boomby took away my virginity today, my love tap virginity. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like below so I can buy myself a new door, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.